How to fix Mobile Legends stuck at loading screen. So if you want to fix the Mobile Legends application stuck at loading screen, then what you need to do is you just need simply search for Mobile Legends at first. Tap and hold on to that application and go with the app info. Now under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and here you need to go and clear the cache. Once you clear the cache of the application, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your Play Store and search for Mobile Legends. And here, if you have any updates, instead of this play button, if you have any update button, then you just need to simply go and update, and after updating, your problem might be if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap on uninstall, which is on the left side, and uninstall the application and again install it from the Play Store. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go and restart or reboot your device, and after restarting, you'll be able to fix that problem. So that's how you can fix Mobile Legends stuck at loading screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.